Lobby. Noun. An entryway or reception area, vestibule, passageway, corridor. I had to wait in the lobby for hours before seeing the doctor. Lobby. Noun. That part of a hall of legislation not appropriated to the official use of the assembly. Lobby. Noun. A class or group of people who try to influence public officials, collectively, lobbyists. The influence of the tobacco lobby has decreased considerably in the U.S. Lobby. Noun. A confined place for cattle, formed by hedges, trees, or other fencing, near the farmyard. Lobby. Noun. A margin along either side of the playing field in the sport of kabaddi. Lobby. Verb. To attempt to influence a public official or decision maker in favor of a specific opinion or cause. For years, pro-life groups have continued to lobby hard for restrictions on abortion. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.